So if your passwords are all over the place in Bitwarden in 2026, yeah, it can get messy fast. Let's fix that and organize everything properly so you can actually find what you need in seconds. First, start by grouping your logins into folders or collections. Separate things like work, personal, banking, and social media so everything stays clean and easy to navigate. Next, rename your vault entries so they actually make sense. Instead of random titles, use clear names like Gmail personal or Facebook work account. Now make sure your usernames are consistent. If you use different emails everywhere, double check they're saved correctly so you don't get confused later. Next, use secure notes or tags to add extra details. You can store things like account purpose, recovery codes, or even which device you use it on. Now go through your vault and remove duplicates. Old or repeated logins can make everything confusing, so delete anything you don't need anymore. Finally, use favorites for your most important accounts like email or banking. This way, you can access them instantly without digging through everything. And that's it. Once your Bitwarden vault is organized, finding passwords becomes super quick and stress-free.